Crossing the street. Hello,
Hello.
are you okay?
Yes, thank you. I feel a bit lost.
Are you looking for something?
Yes, I need the pharmacy.
Do you have the street name?
I think it is on King Street.
Oh, yes, I know that place.
Is it far from here?
No, it is about 5 minutes.
That is good.
But you need to cross this road.
Yes, there are many cars here.
The crossing is over there.
Can you walk with me?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
Wait, the light is red.
Yes, we wait.
Now it is green. We can go.
Can we walk slowly?
Yes, no hurry. Are you okay?
Yes, I walk a bit slowly.
That is fine. We are across now.
Oh, thank you.
Go straight for 2 streets.
And then?
Turn right.
Is the pharmacy on the corner?
Yes, next to a bank.
Perfect.
Are you going there alone?
No, my son is waiting there.
That is nice.
Thank you again for your help.
You are welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Ouch!
Oh no, I am so sorry.
Did you hit me?
Yes, I am really sorry.
That scared me a lot.
I did not see you in time.
You were going too fast.
Yes, that is my fault. Are you okay?
I think so. Just a shock.
Does anything hurt?
My arm hurts a little.
Should I call someone?
No, that is not needed.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am fine.
Do you want to sit down?
No, thank you.
I am okay too.
That is good.
I was driving slowly, but the street is busy.
Yes, this road is always busy.
Is anything broken?
No, only my bag fell down.
Should I pick it up?
No, thank you. I have it now.
I am very sorry again.
It is all right.
I will be more careful next time.
You should drive slowly here.
Yes, you were right. Can I help you with anything else?
No, thank you. Everything is okay.
I feel better now.
Have a nice day and take care.
Thank you. You too.
Blocked driveway. Excuse me, is this your blue car?
Yes, it is mine. Why?
It is blocking my car.
Oh, really?
Yes, I cannot drive out.
I am sorry. I did not notice.
It is right behind my car.
I will move it now.
Thank you. I am in a hurry.
I understand that.
I need to go to work.
I just stopped for a quick shop.
There is no parking space here.
Yes, I know that now.
Can you move forward a bit?
Yes, of course.
Now I can get out.
Wait one moment.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Can I go now?
Not yet.
A little more, please.
How about now?
Yes, that is perfect.
I am very sorry again.
It is okay.
Have a nice day.
You too. Please do not park here again.
All right, I will be careful.
Good. Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can you tell me the time, please?
Yes. It is 4:20.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Which bus goes to the park?
I think it is bus number 7.
Are you sure?
Yes, I take it sometimes.
Where is the bus stop?
At the end of this street.
Is it far?
No, about 3 minutes on foot.
Okay.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, but my mom is waiting there.
Oh, that is nice.
Does the bus come often?
Yes, every 15 minutes.
Does the trip take long?
About 20 minutes.
Then I have enough time.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Is there a sign at the stop?
Yes, it is a blue sign.
Thanks.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I do not know this area.
It is good you asked.
Yes, I do not want to get lost.
Asking is always helpful.
What if I miss the bus?
Another one comes soon.
All right.
Can you read the signs?
A little. I look carefully.
Very good.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Take care.
You too. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Dog without a lead. Oh, that scared me.
I am sorry. Are you okay?
Your dog frightened me.
I am sorry. He is very friendly.
He ran straight at me.
Yes, but he likes people.
Does he not have a lead?
No, he walks free here.
That is not safe.
He never bites.
Still, it is scary.
Did he hurt you?
No, but he jumped near me.
Sorry, I did not see that.
Is he still young?
Yes, he is 1 year old.
I see. He has a lot of energy.
Yes, he loves to run.
But there are many people here.
Yes, you are right.
Children can be afraid.
That is true.
Can you put him on a lead, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
There. Now he is on the lead.
That is better.
Do you want to say hello to him?
No, thank you. I stay here.
All right.
What is his name?
His name is Max.
Hello, Max.
See, he is calm now.
Yes, he looks friendly.
He likes people a lot.
Yes, but please be careful.
I will. Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for using the lead.
Have a nice day.
You too. Taking a photo. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you take a photo of me, please?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. I am traveling alone.
With your phone?
Yes, here you are.
Where do you want the photo?
With the big square behind me.
Good idea. It looks nice here.
Is this position okay?
A bit more to the left, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, smile. Do you like it?
Oh, yes, it looks great.
Do you want another one?
Yes, now with the tall building behind me.
All right. Here?
Maybe a bit further back.
Is this better?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. One more.
Thank you.
Do you want to see them?
Yes, please.
Look, here they are.
Beautiful.
I'm glad you like them.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Are you from London?
Yes, I live here.
That is nice.
Have you seen much of the city?
Not yet. I arrived yesterday.
Then you should visit Tower Bridge.
Is it far from here?
No, about 15 minutes on foot.
Great. What else do you suggest?
You can visit Trafalgar Square. It is very nice.
Thank you for the tips.
Enjoy your stay in London.
Thanks again, and for the photos too.
You are very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Helping with heavy bags. Hello.
Hello.
Do you need help with your bags?
Oh, thank you. They are very heavy.
No problem. I can help you.
That is very kind of you.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, for bus 142.
I am taking the same bus.
Nice. We can wait together.
Of course. Is there food in the bags?
Yes, I went to the market.
Do you live far from here?
No, just a few streets away.
I see. Are you alone today?
Yes, I am alone.
Do you want to sit down?
Yes, thank you. I feel a bit tired.
I can watch your bags.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Do you come here often?
Yes, every Saturday.
Do you always buy so much?
Sometimes. Today there are good prices.
That is great.
But now the bags are very heavy.
That is why I help you.
I am very lucky today.
The bus is late.
Yes, it is often late.
When it comes, I carry your bags.
Thank you, really.
No problem. I like to help.
That is very nice of you.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Finally.
Come, I take the bags.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Parking fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, officer.
Is this your car?
Yes, it is mine.
It is parked in the wrong place.
Oh, really? I did not know.
This is a no parking area.
I am sorry.
There is a sign over there.
I did not see it.
This is also a taxi stop.
I thought I could stop here for a short time.
No, not between 8 and 8 in the evening.
I was here for only 5 minutes.
Even 5 minutes is not allowed.
Will I get a fine now?
Yes, that is the rule.
How much is it?
It is 55 pounds.
Can I pay now?
No, you will get a letter.
All right. It is my mistake.
Thank you for understanding.
Can I move the car now?
Yes, please move it now.
Is there parking nearby?
Yes, in the next street.
Do I need to pay there?
Yes, it is a paid parking area.
Thank you for the information.
You are welcome.
Do people often get fines here?
Yes, very often.
Next time I will be more careful.
That is good.
Can I avoid the fine?
No, it is already recorded.
I understand. Can I go now?
Yes, drive safely.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ice cream accident. Oh no. Are you okay? Yes, but I dropped ice cream on my shirt.
Where is it?
Here, on the front.
Oh, what flavor was it?
Chocolate. Now I have a brown mark.
I have tissues. Do you want one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, but the mark is still there.
Do you want some water?
No, it is okay. It is just a little ice cream.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, I was just surprised.
That is good.
This is so embarrassing. People are looking.
It is okay. This happens to everyone.
Did this happen to you before?
Yes, once in the park.
With ice cream?
No, with juice.
That is not better.
No, but I laughed later.
I am laughing now, too.
Do you want another ice cream?
I am not sure. I feel a bit scared now.
I can buy you a new one in a cup this time.
Good idea. A cup is better.
Shall we go to the ice cream shop?
Yes, but you hold the ice cream.
Okay, I will be careful.
What is your name?
My name is Noah. And you?
Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Olivia.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Come, let's get some ice cream.
Yes, and this time very carefully.
Lost in the city. Hello, sir.
Hello. Are you okay?
No, I am lost.
Are you alone?
Yes, I cannot see my mom.
It is okay. We will find her.
Thank you. I feel a bit scared.
What is your name?
My name is Mia.
I am Officer James.
Hello, Officer James.
Where did you last see your mum?
Near a fruit stand.
How long ago?
About 20 minutes ago.
Do you have her phone number?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Can I see it?
Yes, here.
Thank you. I will call her.
Is she answering?
Not yet. I will try again.
Thank you.
Do not worry. I am here with you.
Can I sit down?
Yes. Please sit here.
Thank you.
What does your mum look like?
She has long hair and a red jacket.
That is helpful.
Can you go and look for her?
Yes. My colleague is helping too.
Can I stay here?
Yes. That is better.
Can I have some water?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you, Officer James.
You are welcome, Mia. Everything is okay.
Can I check my phone?
Yes, of course.
My mom sent a message.
That is great. Is she coming here?
Yes, she is coming now.
Look, there she is.
Mom! Thank you, officer.
Now everything is fine.
Have a nice day.
You too.